we've won, and other countries are envious. Trade should not be a weapon. And the United States, we've won. I mean, we have become an incredibly important country, starting from nothing. 250 years ago, there's nothing been anything like it. And it's a big mistake, in my view, when you have 7.5 billion people that don't like you very well, and you got 300 million that are crowing in some way about how well they've done.
Welcome again to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and welcome in today's episode. Now, before we go ahead, don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps to support this channel, and it really helps spread the word about KASPA. So today we're going to be discussing about Warren Buffett. If you are into investing at this, I think this is one of the people that you cannot afford to miss. So he released a statement recently that has confused a lot of people, and this is a very, very bullish signal for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and KASPA. In this video, stick around. We are going to explain everything that he said and what we think he actually means. So let's start with one of the tweets saying that Warren Buffett once wisely explained, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That is why we hold KASPA. And he is actually right. If you trade your time for money, I think it's not something that is really wise. You have to trade money for your time, like buy more freedom, because time is limited and we only have a limited supply of it. It might look like it's 60, 70, 80 years is a long period of time, but it is actually a short period of time. So we have to find a way to create more ways to make money without having to sacrifice our own time. So let's get into another tweet here from Watcher Guru. Buffett says it might be a good idea to own a lot of other currencies besides the US dollar. So Warren Buffett is now thinking of dumping the dollar. And why is he saying this? I think he's seen all of the tariff thing, all of the global trades, all of the global trade war that is happening. And the fact is that when it comes to trade wars, it's not even about trade wars. Any type of war, even if you win that war, it leaves you with a lot of damage. So the perception of who wins the war is about who has more casualties than the other person. But in fact, every side has been destroyed. Every side has had the effects get to them. So I think he understands this, and the way he thinks is that
One, and other countries are envious. Trade should not be a weapon. And the United States, we've won. I mean, we have become an incredibly important country, starting from nothing. 250 years ago, there's nothing been anything like it. And it's a big mistake, in my view, when you have 7.5 billion people that don't like you very well, and you got 300 million that are crowing in some way about how well they've done.
The idea that trade should not be a weapon, I think, is actually smart. So what is he going to do? What is he going to do? Is he going to buy more euros? Is he going to buy more pounds? Now, this comes from someone who owns 350 billion US dollars. Now, when you look at the KASPA dips, when you look at the Bitcoin dips, most of the people have run out of money to invest. But this guy is having $350 billion in cash. Not tempted to buy anything, just holding his cash. Let's say Warren Buffett decides to buy Bitcoin. We know that he already spoke negatively about Bitcoin. He called it a bubble and everything, but let's say he buys Bitcoin. I think this is going to really send shockwaves to everybody. Every billionaire is going to try and follow Warren Buffett because he has been a very outstanding investor throughout his lifetime. So 350 billion in cash, he's sitting on a ton of cash. What is he going to do with 350 billion? Is he going to exchange it for euros, for pounds, for yen, for other currencies? or is he going to buy more gold, more Bitcoin? Because if he doesn't buy gold, then I think he has to buy Bitcoin, because you only have 21 million Bitcoin. If he doesn't buy Bitcoin, then he should buy, let's say, KASPA, but I know exactly, maybe he doesn't understand about KASPA. If he buys Bitcoin, that's a big signal for all of the cryptocurrencies. And because KASPA is similar to Bitcoin, it's proof of work, currently 10 blocks per second, I think KASPA stands a chance also to become the next currency that might be of great interest to a lot of billionaires. It might not be of interest to most of the billionaires now, but once people get exposed more and more to Bitcoin, I think they're going to look at a better version of Bitcoin and say, okay, this KASPA is better than Bitcoin. Come and try to get as much KASPA as they can get. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Is Warren Buffett really right? Is Warren Buffett going to invest in cryptocurrencies? Is Warren Buffett $350 billion going into crypto? Is it going to other currencies? Is it going to gold? Where is he going to put all of this money? So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps spread the word about KASPA. Support this channel. Until next time, take care and see you in the next episode.